That's Mike Brooks and Florida Attorney Janet Johnson. Janet, let's help our viewers. And again, we're still getting information. But according to WKMG, it's George Zimmerman had a gun and making threats. Not sure how the gun, how the gun is specifically involved, but making threats with a gun. What does that mean, Janet?
Yeah, well, that could be an aggravated assault. Remember there was that woman in Florida, actually here in Jacksonville, who shot a warning shot, didn't hit anybody, didn't, hurt anybody, and she's doing 20 years day for day. So using a gun in Florida in a crime is a really serious matter unless you get off like he just did. So that's a serious allegation. Her parents, I'm sure, are going to back up whatever Shelley says. And I guess these witnesses are going to be the tiebreaker. We're saying it wasn't involved, but I don't know if that's what she's saying. If she says he assaulted her with a gun, which means just pointing it at her and threatening her, that's a serious charge in Florida.
Got it. One other thing to you concerning attorneys. Mark O'Mara, he represented George Zimmerman in the case involving the death of Trayvon Martin. Could he be involved? Do you expect him to make any kind of statement and for him to come to George Zimmerman's side once again?
Well, remember a couple weeks ago, he's trying to get money back from the state of Florida because he got a not guilty, and he's owed, I think he said if he billed hourly, almost $1 million. So the question at this point is, can George Zimmerman afford Mark O'Mara for another go-round if he's arrested and charged? It's a serious crime, and I think it would be a lot of money.
That's right. Mike Brooks with us as well, HLN law enforcement analyst. Mike, as we look at George Zimmerman, what has happened to his life.